Yeah, these supercharged V8s don't need to be in such a low gear to really make power.
Yeah.
It's up fourth gear. Turning in for the dip. Wheel straight. Fifth gear. Light brake to balance. Apex. Reapplying power coming out wide. Braking. Down a gear. Carrying the brake in. Looking for the apex. Lift off. Reapply power. Left hand side on the exit. Braking. Balance. Reapplying. Left hand side. Right for 7, and then a little brake to stay left. Down to third. Reapplying out wide. Up a gear, little brake. Reapplying, coming out wide, and then back to the right again. Braking, down 1. Apex, reapply now. Down a gear. Use this curbing. Here comes one of your struggle corners. So watch how wide Travis goes, right? And what that does, now we're squared up for this. Little brake. Reapplying, out wide. Braking. Down a gear. Carrying the brake in. Looking for the apex. Lift off. Reapplying. Straightening out. Carrying that brake into 6. Looking where you want to go. Adding. Squeezing. Little brake for turn 8. Left hand side. Down a gear. Up to 4th. Little brake. Reapplying. Right hand side. Braking. Down a gear. Carrying the brake in. Looking ahead. Reapplying power. Then left hand side. Braking. Using this inside curbing. Up a gear. Little brake here. Keep her going. Braking. Down 1. Any questions so far? Nope. All right. Have fun?
You've got the best job in the world.
Absolutely.